When you're feeling exhausted, gentle movement can often help more than pushing through the fatigue. This slow flow practice is designed to release tension, improve circulation, and restore your energy through mindful movement and breath. Let's begin. Hi, I'm Andrea, and I'll be your guide. If you're ready to get started, let's join me at the top of the mat and we'll get going right away. So come on up to the top of your mat into mountain pose. We're going to start with our feet about hip width apart. You can also have your big toes touching together if you like, heels slightly apart, so whichever feels most comfortable for you. Inhale as you stack your head right on up over your shoulders, shoulders right on up to your, above your hips. Now, as you inhale and exhale through this program, I want you to take those inhalations deeply into the belly. So you're going to really pump out the belly on the inhale. Fill it up. That's right. Nice diaphragmatic breath. And on the exhale, now bring the navel back towards the spine. Inhaling once again, nice and deeply. Just allow ourselves to get centered here for a moment. And a full, complete exhale, bringing the navel back towards the spine. So I will be cueing you to inhale and exhale as we go through our beautiful slow flow for exhausted days, okay? So when you're ready and on your next inhale, take your arms right on up overhead. We're gonna go a nice slow flow. Take a little back bend. Exhale as you come forward. Just swan dive it out, arms nice and straight as you come down towards the mat. And you're going to land your hands directly below your shoulders. Step back with your left, step back with your right, coming into downward dog. That's the way. Take your time here. Take a big inhale and a full, complete exhale. Don't worry if your heels do not land on the floor. If they're up off the floor, that's just fine. This is just a matter of a little bit more flexibility in the calves. Good. Take a big inhale. And a full, complete exhale as you allow your head and neck to just soften and release toward the mat. Beautiful. Take another big inhale. And a full, complete exhale. Now on your next inhale, just walk your right foot in about a foot width toward midline, toward the middle of your mat. Take your left leg back, straight back behind you. Now inhale it straight up and back. Come on into three-legged down dog. Kick it up nice and high as you can. And as you exhale, start to look up the top of your mat. Start to move the body towards the middle of your hands and step forward. Good. Inhale, come into runner's lunge. Now from here, go ahead and tap your right leg down onto the mat and inhale your arms up overhead to a nice crescent lunge. You can go ahead and interlace your fingers, pointies up, and on your exhale, just slightly look to your back. Beautiful. Take another big inhale. As you reach your arms back behind you and exhale, now release your hands, bringing them to either side of your left foot. Dig in your back toe and straighten up the right leg back into runner's lunge. Inhale to look forward. Exhale, now plant your right palm. Take your left hand to the outside of your left foot and inhale the left arm, twisting it up toward the sky. So runner's lunge with a twist. Nice big inhale. Straighten it right on up at the top and exhale to bring it on down. Bring it on down. That's the way. Inhale to look forward once again. And exhale, plant your palm, step back and come on into downward dog once again. That's the way. Take your time. Take a big inhale. And a full, complete exhale. Beautiful work. Go ahead now with the other foot, with the left leg. Bring your left foot 1 foot width toward midline, taking the right leg back up, back and straight behind you on a nice big inhale, three-legged down dog. Nice, beautiful stretch out at the top. Exhale now, working your way forward. Look between your hands. And now step with the right foot. Come into runner's lunge. Big inhale. Exhale, go ahead and tap down the left leg, left knee, and inhale the arms up overhead, coming into crescent lunge. Interlace the fingers. Point your fingers up to the top. And on the exhale, if it's available to you, go ahead and just tilt back slightly. Lift your chest to the sky in a big inhale, straightening the arms. And exhale, release. Bring both hands down to either side of the right foot. Now dig in your left toe, straighten up the left leg, coming back into runner's lunge. Exhale, now plant your left palm. Take your right hand to the right side of your right foot and inhale it, twisting up toward the sky. Runner's lunge with a twist. Take a big inhale. And exhale, bring the right hand back down to the mat. Inhale to look forward on runner's lunge. Plant your palms, exhaling to step back into downward dog once again. Beautiful work. Take a big inhale. And a full, complete exhale. Rest it out here for one more cycle of breath. Take a big inhale. And a full, complete exhale. Beautiful work. We're going to go through the same sequence again, but we're going to add in one extra feature. So go ahead and walk your right foot in slightly toward midline. Take your left leg up back behind you in a three-legged dog. Big inhale. Press away with your hands, and on your exhale, now start to look up at the top of your mat. Tuck your leg in nice and tight and step forward between your hands. Inhale to runner's lunge. Exhale, tap down with the right leg and inhale the arms up overhead, interlacing the fingers and pointing them up to the sky and crescent lunge. Exhaling to tip back slightly. Inhale, pressing the chest up toward the sky. And now on your exhale, take your right hand down to your left knee. Take your left hand behind you and just turn and twist to look over your left shoulder. Take a big inhale. Squeeze your legs together for stability. Exhale it out. Another nice big inhale. Full, complete exhale. Inhale now, the arms right on back up overhead. A little crescent lunge. And exhaling now to bring your arms back down to the mat on either side of your left foot. Dig in your right toe, straighten up the right leg, coming back into runner's lunge. And now plant the right palm on the mat beside you. Take your left hand and inhale the left arm, twisting up to the sky and runner's lunge with twist. Big inhale, good work. Exhale to bring the left arm back down to the mat. Inhale to look forward. Exhale, plant your palms and step back. Come back into downward dog. Beautiful. Inhale nice and deep. And exhale fully and completely. It's allowing your head and neck to soften towards the mat. One more nice deep inhalation. And a full complete exhalation. Whew. And now go ahead with the left foot. Just bring it slightly toward midline. Take your right leg back behind you. Nice and straight, and inhale it right on up and back to the three-legged down dog. Exhaling now to look forward, top of your mat, between your hands, and step it forward, coming into runner's lunge. Big inhale. Exhale, tap your left leg down onto the mat and inhale the arms right on up overhead, coming into crescent lunge. Once again, interlacing the fingers, pointy fingers up toward the sky and exhaling to tilt back slightly. Inhale the chest up toward the sky, nice and deep. And exhale now, taking the left hand down to the right knee. Right arm goes behind and turn and twist and look over your right shoulder. Good. Take a big inhale. And a full, complete exhale. Take another nice big inhale. And a full, complete exhale. So you're pulling the legs together for stability. Beautiful work. Inhale the arms right back up overhead again. Nice crescent lunge. Beautiful. Exhale to bring the arms down by your sides on either side of the right foot. Dig in the back toe. Straighten up the left leg. Plant your left palm on the mat. And now inhale to a nice runner's lunge with the twist on the right side. Big inhale, reaching for the sky. Exhaling to bring it on back home. Phew, bring it on back home, and inhale to look forward into runner's lunge. Exhale, plant your palms, step back with the right leg, come back into downward dog. Phew, that's good. Beautiful work. Take a big inhale and a full, complete exhale. Take another nice deep inhalation and a full, complete exhalation. And on your next inhale, now look up at the top of your mat. Take a hop, skip, or a jump, or a walk to right in between your hands, and that's going to catch a half lift. So you're just going to take your hands to right below your knees, straighten your arms, straighten your leg, coming into a little L shape. Just pick up your head slightly so we drain the blood back into the body gradually. Exhale it out. Inhale once again, nice and deep. And on the next exhale, now you're going to hinge forward from the hips. Hinge forward from the hips. Come on into a little standing forward bend. Tap down. And now inhale, come on up to standing. Take your arms right on up overhead. Take a little wave and a little back bend. And on your next exhale, once again, start to swan dive down towards the mat. Now from here, take your right hand and place them across the tops of your feet. Bend your right knee. Left leg stays nice and straight. Take your left hand to the outside of the left toes. And now inhale the left hand up overhead into a standing twist. There you go. You're going to really open up the hip here. Take a big inhale. And a little bit of a balancing act here too. Go ahead and exhale it out. Hold it. Take another big inhale. And exhale to bring the left arm back down to center. And now swap it out. Take your left hand, place it across your toes, bend your left knee. Take your right hand to the outside of the right toes, and now inhale them up toward the sky in a big sweeping motion with a twist. Exhale it out. Really opening the right hip now. Good. Take another big inhale. Press it up. Exhale as you bring it forward. Bring it on down. That's the way. Good work. Inhale, come to a nice half lift once again. Good. Exhale it out. Another nice big inhale. And on the exhale, just hinging forward from the hips. So you can just start to bend your elbows a little bit, and it'll keep your back nice and straight on a Uttanasana, a little forward bend. And do a little tap down, boom, nothing serious. And inhale, come back up to standing. If you need to bend your knees coming back up to standing, because it'll be easier in your lower back, you go right ahead and do that. Kick your arms right on up overhead. Take a little back bend. And exhale to bring your arms down by your sides, palms facing forward. Good work. Take another big inhale. And a full, complete exhale. And just to finish off our nice slow flow, we're just going to do a nice little standing side stretch. So once again, just having your feet maybe hip width apart. You can have your toes touching as well if you like. Either way is good. Inhale your arms right on up overhead. Stretch it right on up at the top. Exhale. Now just take your right hand down to your side and rest your left arm overhead as you bend slightly to the right. So you're going to let your left hip kick out. Let the hip kick out to the left as sort of a counterbalance. You can look up past the arm as well if you'd like. Otherwise, just look forward. Either is good. Take a big inhale. Exhaling. Inhaling to straighten the left arm. Allow it to pull you back up to center. Bring the right arm up to center as well. And exhale now. Take the left arm down to the side and rest your right arm overhead. Allowing your right hip to kick out as a little counterbalance. Another big inhale. And once again, if you can look up at the sky, great. If you can't, just look forward. Just look straight ahead. Another big inhale. And a full complete exhale, just allowing to stretch right out. Good. Inhale now to straighten up the right arm. Pick your left arm up to center. And exhale, swan diving down towards the mat. Let's come on back into a ragdoll. So go ahead, bending your knees, draping yourself right over your thighs. And just allow your head and neck to hang. And if it's available to you, go ahead and pick up your arms and hold your elbows with opposite hands. Take those deep inhalations into the low back and belly. Exhaling to just lengthen it up. Soften and lengthen the spine, creating lots of space between the vertebrae. Good work. Go ahead now and inhale, straightening the legs, taking your hands just right below the knees, coming into a half lift one more time. Big inhale, full exhale. A nice deep inhalation. Exhaling to hinge forward. That's the way. Hinge forward. Do a nice little tap down on an Uttanasana. You're just keeping the back nice and straight. Tap down a little. Boom. And inhale. Come on back up to standing. So once again, go ahead and bend those knees if you need to. Kick your arms right on up overhead. Take a little wave and a little back bend. And exhaling, bring those arms down by your sides. Palms facing forward. Thanks again for joining me. I hope you're feeling lighter, calmer, and more energized than when you began. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for practicing with me.